Once you have a pattern inside of a shape, there are a few different ways that you can scale the pattern itself while leaving the shape the same size. And so what I mean by that is, if you're using your regular selection tool and you have an object that has a pattern in it, you can click on that object and resize it, but I want to leave the object itself the same size but then change the scale of the pattern. So to do that, I can go, one way is to go up to Object, Transform, and then go to Scale. From here, I'm going to click on Transform Patterns, but I don't want Transform Objects clicked because I want the objects to stay the same size, but I want the pattern to change size. And then what I can do is just type in different value, smaller or larger than 100%. It's going to preview for me what that looks like, and then click OK. Another way to do this would just be to use the Scale tool. Keyboard shortcut for that is S. When I click S and then click Enter, it will bring up that same type, scale dialog box. Same as what we just looked at by going to Object Transform Scale. And then same thing, I can enter in a number here, make sure I don't have Transform Objects clicked, and I just want to transform the pattern. If I do have Transform Object clicked, then it's going to scale in size 2. Click OK. The other way to do this, once I've selected Scale tool and I'm sure that I have Transform Objects not clicked, I can hold down the tilde key on the keyboard, which is up by the Escape key and the number 1, and then just more dynamically with tilde key held, then I'm just moving, my mouse around, dragging and sliding this thing to sort of get the scale that I want inside of it, just visually. And it may get kind of pinched or distorted looking, so you can sort of get it about the size that you want and then press Shift just one time and it'll bring it back to more normal proportions. Then let go of everything and you have rescaled your pattern inside of the object.